Morning, everybody. Well, I received a phone call. One of the neighbors got his backhoe stuck, so I'm gonna head over there and see what it's gonna take to get it out. I have to leave in about an hour to go pick up a friend from the airport down to Detroit, so I've only got about an hour's worth to mess around with this backhoe, so it might end up waiting until I get back from the airport. Who knows? We'll see. I don't even know how bad it's stuck, so let's go find out. Come along for the ride. Oh yeah, there it is. It's in there pretty good. Nah, that wasn't so bad. Took just a little wiggling, got it right out for him. So as you can see, it's out of the hole and parked up over there. He's moving it now. He's driving it around. We're all good. As I was editing this video, I realized I didn't have any footage of me actually getting the backhoe out of the mud. That's one of the downfalls to these GoPro cameras, is they kind of freeze up. I set the thing up on the tripod and everything. I hit record. I went in the backhoe. I started digging my way out. I got the backhoe out of the mud for the guy. And when I went up to the camera, it was already off because it was, 20-minute long. Once I got home and I started editing this video, I realized I didn't have any footage of me getting the backhoe out. So for that, I apologize. I did try to film it. The camera messed up on me, so I didn't get any of it. But I figured I'd give you guys a heads up on this. Well, I managed to get the garbage plowed for now out of the barn. I'm sure I gotta plow again in the morning. Garbage. Woo! It's a chilly one this morning. I gotta start the tractor up. Oops, sorry. Didn't mean for you to look at my chest. I gotta start the tractor up here so I can plow some garbage. I tell you, not a fan of winter, that's for sure. I did, however, plug the tractor in last night, so it should fire right up decently. There. All the garbage is cleared. Problem is, it's so cold out, my camera keeps messing up on me. It's like the battery's freezing and stuff. So, I don't know how much outdoor videotaping I'm going to be doing today. Little chilly this morning. Garbage.